halfway tree, Kingston, Jamaica. A 26-year-old has been accused of telling a man to undress in the gully, then pushing his finger in his anus. Yeah, greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. I did say what I said in the intro. A 26-year-old man from Denham Town in Kingston now facing charges after allegedly forcing a man into a gully in the corporate area and ordering him to undress. The accused, 26 years old, Chevane Green, a laborer of Regent Street, allegedly inserted a finger into the man's anus and also robbed him of his clothing. The police said, "Uno hear what a guan, pan what a guan, in a island, Jamaica." They said, reports from the police are that about 5 a.m. on October 1st, the victim was walking along Halfway Tree Road, St. Andrew. Yes, Kingston, when Green allegedly attacked him and forced him into the nearby gully. Green then allegedly forced him to take off his clothes before inserting his finger into his anus. He also reported he robbed him of his clothing. Police said the complainant reportedly escaped and later made a report to the police. On October 23rd, Green was apprehended by the police and charged after an investigation was made October 30. Me tell you no say some cereal in a Jamaica. I mean, not talk about cornflakes. Me not talk about Cheerios. Here is a young man that should done out there somewhere in the military, in the police, or even actually some young woman. And he allegedly forced a man into a gully in the corporate area in a Kingston. Chevane Green, me want get him name right. Shavane. Chevane Green, a laborer of the Regent Street, allegedly inserted his finger into a man's anus and take away in clothes. Jamaica no good again, ladies and gentlemen. Me can't believe when me a read. Subscribe, like, and share. Leave your comment on this one. I'm Rastafari Soldier. I'm reporting here live from the Deep Roots studio. Unbelievable. Chevane Green, a 26-year-old man from the Denham Town area in Kingston, facing charges after allegedly forcing a man into a gully in the corporate area and ordering him to undress. And him never satisfied with robbing the man. Him insert him finger in the man bottom. People, I did not realize that Jamaicans were so evil. Leave your comment on this one. It's going viral again. Like Bounty say, me can't believe me, yai.
The fire them have to mix with the lightning. They mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. They mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flash the lightning and who roll the thunder. Deep root flash the lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them will them fret and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them will them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Boy, fire king, Rastafari soldier, real fire king. Yeah. Bang, bang, bang. I can't wait to yeah.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in. We here every time.